We are back. It is hot. It is 83 degrees. We had the camper all buttoned up because it was supposed to rain while we were gone. I really can't tell if it did. So it's definitely hot in this camper. I just opened the windows, took the Reflectix out. I think that Reflectix in the windows definitely helped. If you don't have Reflectix in your camper, be it a Popup or a regular camper, you gotta get it. Check my Amazon links. I have it. I have the stuff that I ordered. I actually ordered too much. I ordered 2 containers or packages of the Reflectix. I only used 1, and that covers all my windows. So, yeah. Mrs. Bubba. Miss Bubba did good today. We're having a good time. It's important to take advantage of inexpensive thrills. And that's what camping's all about. Getting out there, enjoying life, living on the edge. Just a little. By glamping. Let's see what tomorrow brings.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left onto Dillon Road.
I don't know if you can see the dust on camera, but it is crazy here. We have actual wind advisories for later today, but it's already getting windy. And that just means the dust is going to be flying. Never had a camper in a dust storm before. I'm curious what I'm going to have to do.
My lemons. My kidney stone.
It's going to be really windy today, by the way.
I saw, yeah.
So
we should probably take down the blue thing before we go.
Do you think so?
Or let's just tie that one other side.
I think we need to tie this side.
I was just going to say, we have to tie that side to a tree.
I'm just worried about the dust flying around.
Don't worry about the dust.
Because it's going to get, yeah?
Yeah, we'll close all the windows.
Okay.
It'll be fine.
Well, that's what desert looks like.
That's where all the wind panels are.
Wait, so where are we going?
We're going to downtown Palmdale.
Downtown Palmdale?
I put the candy store in. I'm not sure where in that it lies, but it should be like in the Walk of Fame area.
There's some kind of smoothie or shake we're supposed to get. I gotta look. My friend texted me. Hang on.
Oh shit.
But is the road closed?
Probably. But you wanna just put it in your phone just in case?
It's not fog, smog, or snow. It's sand, dust.
It's the heart of California. That's what it is.
That's how you know
Look
you're in the
at
desert.
this. Look at that. Oh my god. I can hear it on the windshield. This is kind of cool looking. It's very post-apocalyptic.
She's a happy person. I don't dislike it here, but I'm still confused how this is a vacation destination for so many people, especially famous people.
You think the paparazzi are gonna drive through this shit?
I guess.
That's maybe why. It's away from everything. It's
Is there
away
like
from Hollywood.
another part of Palm Springs maybe where the resorts are? Because I haven't really seen resorts either.
No, we've seen the entrances to the resorts, but the entrance is like a long road to the resort because they're so tucked away, and then they treat you golden when you go there. You know, they're really nice.
Yeah.
It's just not my thing. I like to do the exploring, like the hands dirty kind of thing.
I like the exploring.
Yeah.
It's nice. I miss woods and lakes.
I could go to a spa at home.
That's true.
You know.
Where are we going?
Stand in the shade and observe. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Where do you want to go? Just hanging out with Lucy. Cactus candy. You want a prickly pear lollipop?
Oh, those are cute.
Oh, lemon.
Bags for the loose candies? Yeah, there's baskets right by the door.
Gummy taco. Uh-oh. What are you getting?
I'm just gonna get a couple of individual things, like little saltwater taffies that I like, and maybe some sucker candy.
Oh my gosh.
The ones that are hard to find, but not so much.
But you've been so good. We shouldn't have stopped in here.
I'm sorry, you.
Hello, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Can I do a small date shake?
Would you like some whipped cream?
I need some caffeine. And if there's one thing that gets me going, it's Trader Bubba's coffee. I have a ton of wonderful flavors. Do be a little careful. This is whole bean. So do check. Some of these are whole bean. But hey, it's that time of year. Y'all like pumpkin spice? I know. I love pumpkin spice. Well, I have it. I have the spice. Trader Bubba's coffee. The best part of waking up? Bubba in your cup. Hey y'all, it's Trader Bubba. Don't forget to check out our website and our awesome merch at TraderBubba.com. All sales, all proceeds go to charity. None of it goes to me. None of it goes to the YouTube channel. It's all for a good cause. So if you like what you see here on my cousin Emmy, do me a favor, TraderBubba.com. I have a ton of great stuff, clocks, shirts, pillows, just a ton of great stuff. So check out the website, please. You'd be doing me a huge favor. Help me raise money for a good cause. Appreciate you. How's your date shake? Datey?
It's alright. It's not bad. It's just different.
I've never had dates before.
I've never had a date shake. I've had dates, but I usually have them like with a charcuterie or something like that.
Right.
You know?
Can I try?
Yeah, you want to try it? You want me to turn it to you? Get that nice mushy aftertaste. Datey.
Datey. What happened? Yeah.
When you come to Joshua Tree,
Uh-huh.
this is the visitor center, and then you go scoot, 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 and this is all of Joshua Tree. See how there's like no road?
Yeah.
That's it. The Salton Sea is over here. So when you go into Joshua Tree, there's a viewpoint where you can be here and you can look down at the Salton Sea. It looks really cool. I thought you could drive through and go to Salton Sea. You cannot.
Oh, it's only like a hiking thing?
Uh-huh. What?
You can only hike to it, or?
No, it's just completely solidly blocked off.
Oh.
You know, it's a national reserve.
Okay.
For those Joshua trees. So basically, we can go to the Salton Sea, which is 52 minutes that way, or we can go to Joshua Tree, which is 50 minutes that way.
Okay.
If we're going to do both, we're going to go that way and have to come back. So we might as well just do Joshua Tree.
I'm down. Whatever you want to do.
Okay. The Salton Sea is just, I think it's like a salty sea full of dead fish or something.
I have no idea. I don't think it's an actual body of water,
Yeah,
but
I don't
okay.
think so either.
I think it's
where,
a.
like, hipsters take pictures.
It's like a dry riverbed kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So let's go to Joshua Tree.
Okay. Okay, I'm filming now, so no road rage swearing.
Okay. I wonder if you have to get extra insurance for the sand damage.
You think it's damaging my car?
I doubt it. I regret saying that now.
We love Blue Betty.
It's just possible. It looks like we're driving into nothingness.
I feel like you'd have to change the air filter in your car at least once a week here.
Right?
I don't know if modern day air filters are really cleanable. You used to be able to just kind of clean them and put it
You
back
could
in.
vacuum them, but I mean...
So creepy. The wind turbines do have an effect and actually do change the weather beneath them.
I did not know that.
So that's why some people who are against this type of renewable energy, anyway, that's one of their, their reasons why they don't like the wind turbines, because they affect the weather.
I mean,
Oh, that's creepy.
it looks severely less dusty over here under the fan. So
It does
I
look.
don't know what they're
It
worried
does
about,
look less
you know?
dusty. Yeah, I don't think they're an eyesore though. Some people are like, "Oh, they're so ugly."
No, they look like the future.
I mean, it's just open space. Might as well use it to generate some power, right?
You're recording, so no road raiders, right?
Go faster!
I can't. There's a motorcycle on my right and a truck on my left, and
What'd we get?
you bought Reagan and the Moo Moo punching. Why? Because why not? Star Trek and Deuce is Wild from, what was the date on it? 1965.
1965. Torque. All right, put them
Losers
away.
get punched.
These funny looking cactus trees are called Joshua
Look at
trees.
the Joshua tree sign. We got it.
We're going to Joshua Tree National Park. You can't find these weird looking Joshua trees anywhere but here. And they're like a cactus, right?
Yes.
Sort of. Anyway. Well, you can see. We are in the desert.
That's, look. This is, what do you call a plant that must be damaged to reproduce, that needs a moth to make seeds, is home to a restaurant, it's home and restaurant to birds, and can be used for house and feed reptiles after it dies.
There's too many signs telling me not to die. I'm worried.
I just wanted to ask me what a Joshua tree was, and I couldn't answer it, so I kind of wanted to read these this time. Last time we just kind of blazed through here to the gift shop. Me and Brian, you know.
If I don't make it, clear my web browser history.
Rock is called
What?
Bread Love Rock.
Red Little Frog.
Oh my god.
Why is there a giant tortoise in the desert?
It's so funny. Look at its paws.
Especially like right before,
That's funny.
right after sunset. That's when the best time to be.
You want a box of water?
No, I want a turtle.
Labor Day sale, 50% off. Oh.
Let's get some cereal. Favorite what? We're going to Dr. Trees.
What do you want to do? You want to do?
Wait until you get past here.
You can call me a sinner, you can call me a thief, you can say that I'm rotten, you can say I'm diseased. I have evil desires that haunt all my dreams, but grace says I don't have to listen at all. Not at all.
Here at Trader Bubba, we let freedom ring. But you know what? You should answer this call to freedom by hitting the open road. And if you are at all interested in what it's like to be out on the open road, camping, living the outdoor life, watch my other video.